Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Dr. InJun Chong, and today I want to talk to you about an exciting new field of healthcare that's evolving, and it's regenerative medicine. Many of you may have heard of it, but today I want to break it down for you in simple terms to really understand what the purpose of regenerative medicine really is. And I often like to start with an analogy. If you were to cut your finger, your body would naturally heal that for you, restoring it back to its natural state. Without any interference and providing with the right resources, the body can do that. But oftentimes as we age and continual insults to a joint per se, it minimizes the body's potential for it to heal. So now enhances and comes to life this new field of medicine called regenerative medicine to help your body to restore it back to a normal state of function, to help those cells and support those cells with the resources available to us now to help advance that when in the previous years we were unable to do that. So regenerative medicine is basically restoring the body back to its normal function. And that's what oftentimes gets missed, is people are looking at these technologies and misunderstanding what the purpose of them is and how they're being used. Not only restoring back to function, but to its normal state. Right? So I want to bring that, maybe an elbow joint, for example, that maybe been stressed or injured, back to normal functionality. So I focus a lot of times on the biomechanics with my history and training as a chiropractor for 25 years of really looking back to saying, how is this joint supposed to, or how was it designed to function originally? And helping getting it back to that state, removing the interferences and support that body and those cells so they can turn the programming back on to do that. So whether we're using devices or using biologics or even nutrition to help do that, okay? And then also, you're really looking at understanding it in a different way than the AI definition that's out there. So oftentimes people are on the internet Googling these things and getting misinformation and not really getting the true meaning of what that is or how it's being used in our business or in our world of medicine. And it's just a cure. We're not trying to cure anything. We're trying to support the body and give it the resources available to go back to its natural state. And that should be the philosophy of helping the body heal. And just like people get drugs misunderstood, drugs are not designed to help cure anything. They actually help reduce symptoms so the body has a chance to build itself back up. And oftentimes gets abused and misused, and then people look at it as a cure, and that's not what it is. So that was the purpose of this video, is to talk to you about what regenerative medicine really is and what it's not. It's not designed to be a cure. Thank you for watching.